Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we're going to be discussing how you can track your steps using your Apple Watch. First things first, we need to get to our apps. Go ahead and click the crown button on the side of your Apple Watch. Mine's set to list view, so it looks like this, but yours might look a little different. Now, scroll through your apps and find the Activity app. Once you've located it, give it a tap to open it up. Alright, once you're inside the Activity app, scroll down, and there you'll find your step count. As you can see, I'm currently rocking about 4,000 steps. Want quicker access to your step count? Add the Activity app to the home screen of your Apple Watch. Then, simply tap the icon on the home screen and scroll down to see your steps. Easy peasy. Now, if you're looking for even more in-depth information about your steps and your step history, you'll want to head over to the Health app on your iPhone. I'll drop a link to a video explaining that in more detail in the description below, so check it out if you're interested. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.